Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the way to earn money online using AI arts. So here you can see here. So my earnings. So you can see the stock photography. Okay, this is stock photography. Okay, when you make the AI arts, you can earn money online via the stock photography. Here, this is the earnings I have earned. So this is when you go to my Adobe Stock account. This earn. So these are the called as a passive earning. Okay, so these are the earning you will be able to generate by using AI also. Otherwise you can work if you are good at graphic designing, like you will you will be able to draw the arts like a illustrator. If you are familiar illustrator, you have an ability to uh, design a very good design at illustrator. You will be able to upload on that respective websites, and you will be able to earn money online. All right, so that this is a very popular website which called as Shutterstock as well as Adobe Stock. Both platform I would earn money online. It's very good platform. I recommend that you all to do these websites, right? So this is a website you have to here. I have already revealed my secret. I'm not going to hide anything else. This is the mm, money earned. Okay, so this is the earning I have I have earned for these 2 months, because I have a more than 1500 portfolio in my account. Okay, so this portfolio I have uploaded 2 years back, but still I am earning money, because that is the things of the passive earning. Do one time, earn lifetime. This images also same thing. I have uploaded 3 years back, but still my money is earnings. But if it is your art is good, your content is good, but the people are still buying your arts. Those way you have earned money online. Like same thing like YouTube. YouTube, the how many visitors are come and visit your uh, uh, blog, you will be able to earn money online. So this is not like that way. This is when the people are coming and see your art, you cannot earn money online. Once they both, only you can earn money online. But definitely the both, they will be buy, because if the art is good, they definitely buy. Okay, the foreign people are buy. So these are the arts I have already sold here. Keep on, I am selling these arts. So these are the things you have generated by the using different AI image generated platforms. The Leonardo AI. So AI. Okay, this is the AI. So when you use this AI, you can't use for free. You have to buy the subscription base, because you can generate the images. You will be able to generate the images as free when you upload at the respective stock images platform. They ask to upload a high quality image, then only the platform will be allowed to sell the image. If the image quality doesn't good, that platform not allow you to sell your art. So you have to those kind of situation, you have to buy the subscription base. Okay, subscription base, they not cost so much. Okay, so you go along with that one, you can earn money online. I recommended it. But here this is the free credit here till 150. So here when you go to here, go to the image platform, you can generate one image here. I'm going to generate what is the image? Dog dog at home. At home, you can write some specific. You have to make some specific uh, black colored dog. Some specific, you have to write some specific. Okay, okay, right now let's generate it. Now you can see the result. Okay, you can see the result. Okay, so here once you click generate button, the one the image will be generated. It is four different it generated in the 4 different ways. Okay, four different. One sleeping here like this, the black color code. This is here. It's a natural dog. Here, actually natural dog. If you show that photo, no one can imagine this is a AI one, because the AI world is now as a like a human. Here, this is like a human dog. No one can show here the eyes and all you can see like a human dog. But when you sell this picture to the this kind of platform, you cannot right click and save images, and you cannot upload these platforms, because the platform are expecting as a good quality images. The quality is they are anticipated the good quality. If the quality is not good, then they will not accept your image, right? So you have a so how to do the task? You have another best option called, which is a upscale. If you click on it, the upscale, it means here it asking to your go along with the premium one. So once you purchase it, you get this actual quality. The quality will be very high. So then after that you have to if you have bought that premium package, the only not only one image. If you are bought the premium package, you can generate image more than 500 or 600 image you can generate it and upload it this platform. Okay, so that if you go along with that premium one, it is good. Okay, so if you want to check the prices and all, here we have the premium prices. Okay, if you are, you can just put it the Google it and prices, pricing. Here pricing plan, their subscription plan. Okay, so you have to go along with the subscription plan, how they cost you. Okay, it's not mentioned it over here. What is the cost, that pricing? Okay, here Leonardo I offer a free trial 150 token. This is not that much. This per day they are giving 150 token. Per day they are given, not month. The daily they are given. Okay, and premium plan start with $10. It is not that much of a cost. Okay, so you have to go along with this one here. That images there. Okay, that you have to go to that images. So you have to that images. Okay, so you can see here premium package. It allows the $10. It's a $10. So you have to go to that the platform also. They are updated there. They are giving that when you go to the upgrade the plan. Here there's there. You can see the plan. $10 per month subscription base. You can subscribe it. Here monthly 8,500 fast though. This is enough. You can generate at the more than 1,000 image you will be able to generate it. This okay, so that okay, this token is I recommended. This is enough. Here you can say private. There are so much privileges they are adding. Okay, I recommend you go along with this one. This is a free one also. They are giving some free privileges, but that free is not good. You have to go along with this paid one. You will be able to generate the good images, and you will be able to earn money online, right? So if you are to earn money online for your passive income, you go along with the passive income. That is your if you want to do the part-time job. Okay, if you are those who want to do the part-time job as an online, so this is the best choice for you to earn money. So while writing the programming, you can giving the prompt, what are the prompt you are given. So here I already revealed the secret. If you are some people say imagine if I generate the dog images using AI, will I earn money? The people having doubt. Yeah, you you can earn money here. This is my imagination. I imagine lion with heart, like one image. Okay, line with heart. The image, the AI generated the image. So I have upload this platform. I am here. I already solved two. Okay, so there are many things I have it. The couple images. So there are so much images. So I have here. This is a dog images. Okay, dog. This dog images also I have solved one. Yes, I have just this image Doberman puppies. I want to generate the Doberman puppies. So I have give the prompt. I need a Doberman puppies image. I want to create as a AI tool. So I have it has been created look like this way. So I have get and upload into this platform. One person bought this one. So I earn money online. I earned this one for $1. Like this over here, the dinosaur images. Here's the dinosaur. I just imagine one the T-Rex in the city. I just type the prompt. So the image will be look like this way. This one I have generated by the playground AI. Nowadays it's not working. Okay, it's not working anymore. So those days that platform is worked. So I generated by free. That is the only platform which will be generate the high quality images for free for uh, 5 or 6 images they provide us for free. Okay, other than that any other AI tools are not giving us the free privileges to access the image. Okay, some other platforms are given the privileges access for the upscale images, high quality images, but they are the images are displayed along with that uh, company watermark. But that if you get that watermark, we can't upload the images at the any other platforms. Okay, no one can buy that images along with the watermark. So once the watermark is removed, only the people are buying. So if you that platforms are telling the way once we want to remove the watermark, you have to pay. So that is the things. Okay, right? So so here these are the animals images I have generated. Okay. So here what is the imagination you have come to your mind? You have to go to that particular AI tool. Not only this, there are plenty of AI tools are there. You have to just go and to the Google search, you just type on it AI image generated platforms. If you have put it here, yeah, there are so much here. This is a mid journey. This is the best one. Okay, this is the first and best one. But nowadays, this is the first AI which will be generated the image for the image text to image generated, but it's very famous image generator in the world. So nowadays there are so much AI tools are day by day releasing. Okay, so we can't compare nowadays. Market nowadays this than better. There are many AI tools are displayed, but still this Midjourney AI name is become famous because their image quality is very good. Okay, you just ask from ChatGPT or something else which AI is nowadays famous because I'm not I don't know which AI is very famous for generating the images, but when I going to research in my last year when I doing that AI images generation part, this images that Midjourney image journey was a first place. Okay, nowadays I don't know what will be the first one. Okay, so there are so much tools. Okay, if you can see nowadays the AI are growing day by day. Okay, so you can generate by this is the meta AI. This one should be free. Okay, you'll be able to generate the image by free, but that high quality image is not available. Okay, so there are plenty of platforms available. If you want to generate the AI arts, you have to go along with the subscription base. Midjourney or DALL-E AI also best, and that Leonardo AI or Canva is best one. Ideogram, this is also the best. Okay, this one. Okay, I am not familiar with this one. I never tried this one. This one also you can go and along with the you can go just and try it. Okay, and you can buy it. Okay, thank you for